Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, the carnival season came to an end yesterday as revelers took to the streets for the grand event, the highly anticipated Bacchanal Road March. Festivities went underway in the morning with persons in their bright costumes dancing to the best in soca and dancehall music, courtesy of 14 disc jocks. Adding to the experience was the inclusion of live performances from international soca artists. Trinidadian acts like Kez kept the high energy as he performed tracks like Incredible and Workout. Antigua and Ricardo Drew also graced the mic, treating the crowd to Professional and ID among others. Bacchanal Road March came to an end at 6 p.m. However, the party continued with an after-party dubbed Final Fetch at Gulf Academy. Reggae artist Janine has released a new track titled Love Has Found I. The single was released on the singer's YouTube Viva account. The passion-filled track, produced by Clive Hunt, shows a different musical direction for the roots and dub songstress.
Afraid I admit to him, this type of surrender was an under agenda, but I find that this brother is inspiring.
Janine is also in the studio working on her full-length album following her last body of work titled 9. Janine's music reflects the Rastafari way of life and beliefs, including African heritage and social consciousness and a healthy lifestyle.
They looked for it in South America, but it was in Africa.
Black Panther will be the first movie to be shown when Saudi Arabia opens its first cinema in 35 years, bringing an end to a ban in the deeply conservative country. The Marvel blockbuster will be screened at a gala premiere in the capital on April 18. The movie follows a deal with AMC Entertainment Holdings to open up 40 theaters across the country during the next 5 years. The first step towards lifting the ban got underway in January this year when a feature-length film for children was screened in the makeshift cinema equipped with a popcorn machine in the Red Sea city of Jeddah. Now, reality TV star turned rapper Cardi B has released her debut album titled Invasion of Privacy. The long-awaited album features 13 tracks with guest features from SZA on I Do, 21 Savage and Bartier Bardi, Kehlani and Ring, Chance the Rapper on Best Life, and Migos on Drip. The project also features her previously released single Be Careful, where she allegedly took shots at her fiancé, Offset. Now, it was during her performance of that song, Be Careful, on Saturday Night Live that she dropped another bombshell. She's pregnant. Cardi B did not give details on her pregnancy or how far along she was. Cardi B is scheduled to perform at Coachella Music Festival later this month. But that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.